Hi guys, this is Steve from 89 Motors over here in Ballymount, Dublin, and Steve had not gone to AutoInform before in Cork, but you are going this time, Steve, is that right?
That's true, yeah.
And can I ask, how long are you in business here in this premises?
So lockdown happened and we were here 2 weeks into that lockdown,
Okay.
and then the shutters closed, so it was quite a nervous time. But ever since then we've kind of managed to get by, and our work has proven it's worked, and we're still open anyway and going forward in business. So it's actually quite exciting now that lockdown and the lockdowns have gone, and now moving forward the business is just kind of ramping up, and we're looking forward to progressing in the future now.
And you were saying that you're very busy, but of course, you know, like a lot of garages and workshops, trying to get staff is a big problem at the moment.
Yeah, staff is a big problem. Like I've had one or two lads in, and unfortunately it kind of hasn't worked out, but kind of going forward now we kind of want to progress and train the right staff. And we've a good apprentice there, Connor, now at the moment, and he's shown a really keen interest. So he'll be coming along to future training courses and that with us as well. So we're investing in the staff that we have, and hopefully then that will benefit us and getting more staff again.
And why are you going? Why have you decided to go to AutoInform this year?
Just trying something new. Like there's a lot to offer in AutoInform. There's new courses. There's a lot of people there we'd like to get to meet, kind of see what 89 Motors is about, and then see kind of how they can benefit us progressing forward, because we're investing in ourselves and then helping our customers going forward, you know.
And is it a little bit like you meet like-minded people there, progressive guys that are from workshops, and kind of see what they're doing?
Yeah, exactly. Like there's kind of a select few garages, they're all kind of on the same page, and they kind of get together and we all progress forward, and then hopefully improve our garages in the meantime, you know.
Because it is very buoyant at the moment in the aftermarket. I mean, a lot of garages are very busy, and there isn't a lack of work, but I suppose you got to look to the future. Is that going to stay that way?
Exactly. I think if you don't train, you might get left behind a little bit. So obviously they're making it a lot more difficult for the independent man to kind of progress in the future. So I think if you don't invest in yourself, I don't think in 10 years time it's going to be very difficult for you, you know.
Yeah. Okay, well, so you are booking and you're going to bring Connor along, which is a great idea. So your message to people is get going to AutoInform Live and get training.
Exactly, and look into 89 Motors when you're stuck for your car.
Thanks a million. Good to talk to you, Steve. Cheers.
No bother. Thanks very much.